So despite all the talk you might hear about Facebook ads not working, usually from people who gave up after a couple tries, the fact is that all the major online entrepreneurs or digital marketers succeeding today use Facebook ads. Facebook remains the single most attractive advertising opportunity in terms of native ad presentation, targeting, demographic data, active users, and a host of other factors. There are currently almost 1.8 billion monthly active users, almost 1.2 billion daily logins, and 5 new profiles are created every second. With a growing user base like that, it's no wonder more than 40% of marketers report that Facebook is a critical part of their business. The question is, how do you make it work for you? Before you even begin your first ad campaign, you should have your various marketing goals laid out. This will help you determine everything from your campaign objective to your budgeting and bidding. Maybe your goal is to drive cold traffic to a lead page and grow your list. Is that the end of it? In that case, you might have a lower spending strategy. But if those leads, after they opt into your list, are going to see a tripwire offer, and then a core offer, and then a profit maximizer, in other words, a full sales funnel, then perhaps you'll be willing to spend more per click. Maybe you're sending them directly to a paid offer or to a webinar with a high ticket offer. Perhaps you're just trying to get visitors to your blog to familiarize them with your brand and provide useful content, while also building a retargeting list. Whatever your goals are, have them mapped out before you start creating your first ad. Once you've established your goals, the next part is to set up your page and ad account. If you don't already have a fan page or a business page, you'll need to create one. This is because Facebook advertisements can only be attached to pages, not to individual profiles. So take a few moments and set up a page by clicking the Create Page link, which can be found at the very bottom of any Facebook page. Choose the category that applies to you, such as local business, brand, public figure, and so on. And get your bio and About Us text and profile and cover images squared away. While you're doing this, you might as well get your page ready for traffic. The thing is, some people who see your ads might not interact specifically the way you want them to. Rather than click through to your site, they often will actually go straight to your Facebook page, and you want to capitalize on that traffic as well. So make sure you have at least a call to action button at the top of your page that leads somewhere. For now, you might as well just choose Sign Up for the CTA and link it to a lead page or a landing page of yours. If you don't have a landing page, check out our landing pages guide. Now once this is done, simply click the Create Ad button, and if you don't already have an ads account, you'll be prompted to create one. This is a quick process and simply involves some contact info, billing info, and so on. When you're all set, you can move on to the next video on creating your first campaign.